Hey, this is Niranjan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to connect the buy buttons here to the checkout page. Alright, now in the last video what we did is basically we used the quick install option to arrive at this stage where our demo theme would look something like this. It will have this placeholder images all updated and stuff like that. Okay, so we've got a cool looking site here. You can play around with all these options and for the subtle animations. So this is going to be an attractive agency site for your customers to look at. So let's get started, and for the sake of brevity, we'll just focus on ensuring that the buy buttons work. Okay, now if you at this point in time, if you click on this buy button, it will not go anywhere. Okay, and it will show up this view cart. Okay, that's because we have not yet connected, or we have not yet given the instructions to WooCommerce to route the user to the view cart page after he or she clicks on this buy now button. Okay, so let me just refresh this so that our button looks like before, and then what we'll do is we'll go to the dashboard. Okay, now once you're in the dashboard, if you remember, I told you that everything we do as far as the products are concerned will be from the WooCommerce section. So what I suggest is you go to WooCommerce and then click on the settings option. Okay, if you click on the settings options, you will have a number of options coming here: general, product, shipping, payments, accounts, and privacy, emails, advanced. If you go through them, they are pretty straightforward. For example, in this general, you will find your address details, your country details, your zip code, selling locations and stuff like that. The default currency, you want to go for it. If you are in the United States, you want to make this as the US dollar, and rest of the things that you can change. Okay, but as far as the product is concerned, as far as the buy button is concerned, what we need to do is go to this products tab. Once you click on the products tab, you will come across these options. Okay, all you have to do is go to this add to cart behavior, and here you have to say, you have to click on this so that you enable redirecting the cart page after the successful addition of product to the cart. Okay, so once you click on this button, you are basically adding your product to the cart. And what the website now will do is, the moment you click on buy, it will take you to the cart page where it will show you that a product has been added. Okay, so once you have ticked on this, click here to save the changes. All right, so now we have saved the changes. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh this website and see if it is actually doing what it's supposed to do. So now that we have done it, let's click on the buy button, and we hope that it will take us to the next page, which is a checkout page. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we have done here. This is where we have kind of basically we have arrived to. All right, and once you arrive here, what you have to do is you have to alter the products and things like that. This is basically for the user, not for you. So the user will arrive here and they will be able to make the purchase and proceed to checkout. Okay, now another thing is, which I should have told you earlier and I have not told you right now, is this. Okay, once you do the one-click install option, what will happen is a number of pages will be created. Okay, they'll be automatically created, and this has been done in order to reduce time for you, in order to reduce the time in which you can get up and running with this demo theme. Okay, so if you go to all pages, you will see that there is a cart page which has been automatically created. If it was not for this one-click installation, you would have to create this separately like any other WooCommerce website. Okay, so now that they are created, what we need to do is we basically need to connect all of them. Okay, so let's go to the settings option here, and and you go to the advanced but tab, and here when you start, you will not see these pages, but in the drop down you will see a number of pages which have been created because of the one-click installation. So what you need to do is, for cart page, just click on cart. For checkout page, click on checkout option. Where's that? Yeah, let's say I go for sample, and then I want to have the checkout option inbuilt here. Okay, so here's the checkout option. Similarly, add my account and terms and conditions, and then go to save changes. Okay, so these are two things that you need to do. What you need to do is make sure you are connecting the pages, like the cart is coming after the button is clicked, then the checkout is coming after the cart button is clicked, and likewise. Okay, once you've done that, you just have to come to products, and click on this option which says redirect the cart page after successful addition and save the changes. Okay, once this is done, your the entire funnel flow is sorted. Okay, so you can now see proceed to checkout. It should ideally take you to the checkout page where the user will be entering the details, and they'll be able to place the order. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Now we are at a stage where the theme that we have, or the agency site that we have, is basically in a position wherein let me just refresh it for you so that I can show you the site itself rather than the internal pages. Okay, yeah, so we've got a demo site where everything is all sorted. We've got placeholders for the videos, we have got the buy button enabled, and the next phase would be to actually show up the videos here rather than this placeholder image, and possibly to edit these names and make it look and sound beautiful. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We are also going to learn how to edit all of these categories and change them to whatever you like. Okay, so that will be covered in the next few videos. Thank you so much for checking this out. This is Niranjan here signing off. I'll talk to you in the next one. Thank you.